My name is Muhammad Ahad. My major is Nautica number 1.
Good afternoon. I would like to rent a room at this hotel for tonight.
Single of double chef.
Single, please.
We'll have single room on the scoring floor.
Okay, I will take it. How much is in the room?
It is about 500 a night include bra breakfast.
Good. We should identify it.
You can you can play it when you are kicking out. It is a beautiful day. It is.
Yes, the sea is so clear.
I like the skin of water.
Of course, I got everyone does.
The water is good today.
Yes, but it's a little too cold for me.
It is because you used to live in tropical zones.
Yes, I guess so.
The water today is worse than Wednesday.
Yes, yes, it's a little windy too.